Okay, here's Grandpa and Nick.
Give his specification.
Yeah.
Over 6 months old.
Yeah, right. Nick is 6 months old and just learning to giggle.
Grandpa, you're so funny.
Grandpa's really funny.
You want to cry enough? How about enough? Whoa.
He loves his new chair swing.
Yep, he pulled out the swing for him and he absolutely loves it. As long as someone's playing with him and giving him attention.
I know. Now you're gonna cry.
What else happened today?
Nick had a good day today. Nothing else happened.
He had a bath, and what happened before the bath?
He slept lots today. Okay.
I'm tired.